guys ready? Oh, hell yeah. 3, 2, 1, yeah!
I'm going to win.
You're too slow.
Huh?
Oh yes!
Coming
Hey,
from
Axel,
both.
get it out of this one!
What? Ah, my eyes!
That's what happened when you see Alice of Dawn, you...
Hammer time.
Revenge.
Get out of my way! I'm going to win, and no one can stop me. Oh, what is this?
It does!
Well, that was interesting.
This is the last round.
Shit!
I'm going to win.
No, I'm gonna win!
Screw you all. I'm the winner.
Balls! Oh my god!
Oh no, it's a bomb.
We are doomed!
Skip it button down! Why is getting taking too long? Huh?